Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are their current energies? Whatever whoever it is, what are their current energies towards you? So it might be your crush, a love, or lover, boyfriend, girlfriend, ex-husband, wife, whoever it is. Okay, so the specific someone, what are their current energies towards you? We will see. We will ask spirits and angels to give us some guidance and clarity. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do more and more videos. Welcome to new subscribers, and I will definitely try my best to give more and more readings to you also. Please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody. If you like the readings, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment so that I can read your comments and understand whether I'm delivering the messages properly or not, whether my readings are resonating with you or not. Is there any scope of improvement? So I know that one problem with me is I'm not able to post my videos consistently, but definitely I'll try to post at least one or two videos per week. Okay, so that's all I can say. If you need any personal reading, please contact me, and my details are given below. Then that's all. Yes, let's start the reading without wasting much time. So we have three piles here. Pile number one, this green heart. Pile two, red heart. Pile three, this yellow heart. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need to pause the video, you can pause and think about the about your person. Try to meditate and select the pile. Okay, so let's start the reading with pile number one. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what are their current feelings and energies towards you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? What are their current energies towards you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Hermit. So the Hermit means your person is not at all moving, not at all doing anything right now. Okay, the Hermit card, you might be dealing with a person whose sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign will be Virgo. Okay, so they might be Virgo, there might be Virgo in their chart anywhere. Okay, so they are not doing anything right now. They are retreating, they are meditating, they are contemplating why this connection ended like this, or why there is no communication, or why there is conflict between us. So whatever happened between you, they are thinking it deeply. Okay, so they are doing the soul searching. So what exactly I want in this connection, or what exactly I want in my life? So that is what they are thinking. They are not thinking about you in particular. They're thinking about overall their life, why this is happening with me. Okay, but at the same time they are keeping an eye on you. They are maybe contacting very few people. They are not social I mean, they are not involving with anybody, interacting with anybody. They are away from social media. So they are not talking to anybody. They are not seeing yet your Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is. But they have some trusted friends. Okay, maybe few friends, maybe three or four friends. They are trying to gather the information about you, like how are you, what are they doing, what are you doing. But that they are doing. Okay, so they didn't forget you. They didn't like, they are not angry or anything like that, but they are gathering the information about you, what exactly happening in your life. They are trying to gather the information. Okay, this is Hermit, means it is searching. Okay, they are searching for the truth or clarity. So let's see more cards. Let's pull more cards. What are their current energy, spirit? What are their feelings and energies, spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Sorry friends, my kitty came here. Let's see. Temperance, the devil, the fool. Okay, so as of now they are feeling that they need some balance in this connection. So they feel that, yeah, this connection is imbalanced. Maybe you are giving more and they are giving less, or they are giving more or you are giving less. So they feel that this connection is not balanced. So they want the balance in this situation, in this connection. Okay, what they are thinking is, okay, so at least some friendship should be there. They're not expecting so much, they are not thinking about marriage or something like that, but at least they are feeling that some balance should be there, some conversation, some communication. Whenever you see each other, you can say hi. So some formal greeting, or some formal communication, at least that you can do, right? So that is what they are expecting. Even though you are not a, no, you can't marry or you can't be together, but at least you can be friends, right? That is what they are expecting. They are feeling that at least we can have balance in this connection. That is what they are thinking. Devil, sometimes for some people your person is obsessively thinking about you, and they're feeling like they are chained towards you. But maximum people, this person is not thinking about you like particularly. Because the hermit card came, right? Hermit means. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, this person may be older than you age wise. This person might be little older than you, I can see that. This person, for some of you others, okay, others, it is like they have some addictions, okay, or they are committed to someone and they are not able to come towards you. So that is also one more reason for some of you, I'm seeing that. And next is the fool card, means they want to take a risk in this connection. They want to come to you, they want to communicate with you. They are planning to take a risk, okay, like a fool. They want to take a daring step and they want to communicate with you. So whatever what they can do right now is they can communicate with you, right? So that is what they are thinking, that okay, I can take a bold step. And for some of you, they left everything in God or universe. They are saying that okay, whatever happens, it will happen for my own good, and universe is there to take care, God is there to take care. But they want this daring or fast moving action. They want to take some action, okay. But they are taking that action by believing in God or universe, okay. So let's see more cards, okay. That's what I can feel. But for some of you, as I told you, they're obsessively thinking about you. They're having some sexual desires about you, especially if you had in the past like physical contact. So they are thinking about that. They are not able to sleep at night. For some of you, this person is not well also, okay. These are the messages I'm getting from your person. So let's see, let's pull some more cards. Okay, this card is coming. Let's pull some more cards. Spirits, give us some guidance and clarity. What are their energies towards my viewer? Okay. Okay, the Hierophant, Judgment, and the Four of Moons. Okay, what they are thinking and feeling is, they are taking you for granted. What they are thinking is, whenever they come back, you will be ready, or you will be accepting them, you will accept them. So that's what they are taking you for granted. Okay, already you might have expressed your love or expressed your feelings or proposed them. They have rejected or ignored you. So now also they have the same feeling. Okay, it's okay. I mean, whenever I go, this person will accept me, and they are taking their own sweet time. Okay, so they are not in a hurry, or they are not in a uh, hasty movement, because the fool card is there. Definitely they are planning to do, but as of now they are not in a hurry, they are in a hermit mode, they are simply sitting and planning, that's it. They are not taking any action, but in future they are planning to come towards you like a fool. Okay, the hierophant means it is a very this person is very respectful in the society, and they are in a high post maybe. And as I already told you, this person might be older than you. So hierophant is actually a marriage card. Okay, so definitely this person might be Virgo or Scorpio or the Taurus. Okay, so this person wants to have commitment. Actually, hierophant means it is a marriage card and a commitment card. But deep inside they want to commit to you, because maybe earlier they rejected you, ignored you with the four of moons. But if at all they are coming towards you, definitely they'll come with a stable offer. That offer can be engagement, marriage, or commitment, whatever it is. They want to commit to you. Deep inside they have these feelings. Okay, but everything they are leaving in God's hand or universe hand, because the judgment card is there. So judgment means they want to have a reconciliation, and they are praying, or maybe they are doing some law, they are following some law of attraction. So they are planning, and they are praying God also. They want to come, they are planning like they want to come towards you, but at the same time they are living up to God, you do it for me. Or they want reconciliation basically. Okay, judgment means they want to have a reconciliation, but they don't know how to do that. Okay, maybe what happened in your past that I'm not able to see, some bad breakup might have happened between you, and you both are not talking to each other. Or they might have decently rejected your offer. So that also maybe might have been happened earlier. So you only walked away. Okay, I can see that viewer only walked away, moved on. So now they don't know what you're feeling right now, and this maybe you both are separated for maybe 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so this person right now they want to come to you, but they don't know what to do. Okay, but right now I can see they are having good feelings only towards you. They didn't forget you. They know what mistake they have done, and they want at least friendship. Okay, if not marriage, if you are not accepting them, if at all no marriage, but at least you can be friends. That's what they are feeling. So let's pull some messages from your person. Let's, oh, I don't want so many. Okay, so many cards, that means they want to tell you so many things. Okay, whatever cards are here I will read for you. You are my best friend, as I already told you. So they want to be your best friend, and they feel that you are their best friend. I need more time to heal myself. Maybe their past is like that, or they have some childhood wounds. So they are asking you more time so that they can heal. I look for you everywhere. So that's what I said. They are searching the information about you. They are asking few friends. I know I messed up everything, because they know. I mean, what mistake they have done, definitely they know. I love you unconditionally. So definitely this person loves you a lot, but they are not able to express their feelings. Let's pull some initials. Okay, I can see here F A B H K U and G. Okay, these initials may be your person's first name, last name, or middle name. So please take it however it resonates. If you like my reading, or if my readings are resonating with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. That's all I have for you, pal number 1. Until the whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? So think about your person and I will shuffle the cards. What are their current energies towards my viewer? What are their current energies towards my viewer? Please give us some guidance and clarity, angels. The Emperor. Okay, so you might be dealing with Aries. Your person might be Aries, or you might be Aries. But mostly your person might be Aries. Okay, so this person is very highly respected for person in the society. They are in a high post or a high job, dignified job, and they are older to you. There is age gap I can see, and this person is little stubborn. Okay, so the Emperor means the king of kings. Okay, so this person feels they are very superior to you, and they have some controlling issues also. So they feel like they want to control you or control this connection. So they have everything, but they don't have you, and they are in a pride and ego. They don't want to communicate with you, they don't want to come to you. Okay, so they want you to come to them. Okay, so they are not at all making any move. They are sitting in their throne and waiting for you, waiting for your message or anything. So let's see, what are their energies towards my viewer? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the energies towards my viewer? What are their energies towards my viewer? Okay, I want 3 cards, but I got 4 cards. Okay, here we can see the 4 of Pentacles and 5 of Pentacles, then High Priestess and Justice. Okay, your person might be Libra or Pisces, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This might be some of the signs. Okay, okay. So your person is thinking that they are first of all introvert. They are not expressing their feelings to you. They are keeping everything to themselves, and they are not at all revealing anything. They are not even giving a clue to you, like how they are feeling, how they are planning, nothing, you know. Okay, because they are keeping everything to themselves, and they are a little bit possessive also. So they as we got Emperor also, this person might be controlling. They want to control you, what you wear, what you do, what you talk, what you eat. So everything they want to control, and they are possessive also, as with the 4 of Pentacles. So also they are feeling that you abandoned them. I know, like you left them in cold. So you didn't treat them well, or maybe you didn't respect them, or you left them in cold without anything. Maybe you blocked them, or maybe you stopped communicating. Maybe you rejected their offer, something like that. They are feeling it is you abandoned them, and that is the reason they are feeling wounded and hurt. They are in pain. Okay, High Priestess. So that means there is a mother involved here in this connection. I can see 2 people are involved in this connection actually. So maybe they are stopping. They want to communicate that your person want to say that there is involvement of their family or their mother. So that is the reason they are not able to say. And even in your person's name, it might be B and J might be prominent. Please let me know if the alphabets are prominent in your person's name. Okay, so they feel that somebody is controlling their this connection, and they can't move, they can't do anything in this connection. But definitely they want to give you justice. Justice is kind of almost a marriage card also. So they want to give justice to you. but they don't know. I mean, as of now they are not making any move, but they inside they feel that they should give clarity because they didn't say anything to you. So at least they are planning that they should give some clarity. And for some of you, this person is stuck with the legal battles with somebody. As I told you, there are two people I can see. Maybe one is mother and other one is their family, I mean, a wife or a husband. Because for some of you, this person is already married. Okay, so this person is controlled by the other person. Maybe for some of you, they are feeling like lonely. Even though they are married, they don't give so much to that other person or to that connection. And maybe they are in a legal battle or a divorce case is going on. So that is what they want to tell. Let's pull more cards. So we will ask spirit, what are their current energies towards you? What are their current energies towards you? We will ask spirits. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current energies towards my viewers? One card already fell down. This is Four of Moons. Same card. Not the same, but similar. Okay. Three of Pentacles. And the Empress. Okay. Let's see. So definitely even they are taking you for granted because Four of moon card is there. So that means definitely they are taking you for granted. They feel that whenever they come back, you will be ready, you will accept. And also Three of Spears. So that means there are many people involved in this connection, and they don't know what to do. Actually, they want to work on this relationship. They want to know you more. Maybe they want to know you more. So they are still interested in you, and they see you as the wife material or husband material, the Empress. That means mother of their children. So for some of you, maybe you are asking about your husband or ex with whom you have a child or children. So they are thinking and feeling that you are their mother or father of their children. Okay, they have very deep feelings towards you, but that is the reason they are taking you for granted, because they know, I mean, how you will react. And at the same time, you want to know, they want to know what you are thinking and feeling right now. They want to know you more. Okay, so because I can see that there is some long gap between you and this person, like you both are not talking, no communication for a long time. That's the reason they want to know you more right now, what you are feeling, what you are thinking. So they want to know. So let us see what are their messages for you. So what are their messages for my viewer spirit? What are their messages for my viewers? Cards are not coming, so they don't want to share their feelings and emotions with you. Okay, two more cards, spirit. Okay, done. So let's see what they want to say. Let this connection be platonic, so they don't want any physical connection as of now. I will wait for a sign from you. They are waiting for a call or a text from you, at least a sign. Let's give second chance to this connection. Okay, many of you, I can see that you are maybe both the wife and husband and separated, financially unstable. So they are financially not stable. So that's the reason they are not able to come towards you. I love you. Very nice, very sweet message for you. Children are affecting this connection. Okay, maybe they have children or you have children, and maybe they are some obstacle, like for your connection. Maybe they are not agreeing. There are many scenarios, because many people are watching this reading, so it is for different people for in different context. Let's pull some Initials of your person: W, U, M, O, G, E, L, then Y, and S. Okay, so these initials may be your person's first name, middle name, or last name. Wherever it resonates, please take it and leave the rest. That's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? What they are thinking and feeling about you right now? So we will ask spirits and angels to give us some guidance and clarity. Angels and spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current energies towards my viewer? What are they thinking and feeling towards my viewers? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Temperance. Okay, so you might be dealing with Sagittarius or Sagittarian. Okay, your person might be Sagittarian, and Sagittarius sign may be in their chart in anywhere, like sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, so they feel that you are twin flames, you are soulmates, and they want deep relationship with you and a deep bonding with you, like it is shown in the picture, like Ardhanarishwara, like half a lady and half a man. Okay, Shakti and Shiva. Okay, so they want this kind of a connection with you, and they want a balance in this connection. Maybe you were giving more to this person, or they were giving more to you earlier, so now they want to have some balance in this connection. So, and they also want to try once again. Okay, if at all you both are not talking, or you are separated, so they don't want to leave it, because they feel that this is the divinely guided connection, and divinely blessed connection. So they want to come towards you, and they want to like try this out actually. Okay, because they feel that you are part of their body, and maybe you both think alike, and maybe you both are alike, and you both are meant to be together. That's what is their feeling. Let's pull more cards. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewers? Please give us some guidance. Strength. Four of Cups. This four of cups came in all the readings. Okay, so these are all the 3 cards. So strength. Okay, strength means they want to uh, they are actually, I can see that they are very strong willed person, daring and dashing person, and they feel that you are very independent, and you are very brave and strong person, or they want to keep up the strength in this connection, or they want to work hard. They don't want to settle down for less, or they don't want to accept the defeat. Okay, so they want to try and try. They want to get success in this connection. Okay, they can tame anybody, tame the beast, they say, right? So that is what I mean. They are very strong willed person. I can see this person is very determined, and they want to come towards you, and they want to conquer you. I can say that they want to conquer you, and they want to have a happy connection with you, but at the same time they are taking you for granted, because this four of cups is there. That means you are offering your love to this person. Maybe you offered him earlier, or him or her earlier also, but they might have rejected you in the past, and now also they feel that if at all they come back also, you will accept them. So that is what they are thinking and feeling. They are taking their own sweet time to come towards you. But that is what they feel. Okay, maybe earlier you expressed your feelings to them, and they rejected you. That is the reason you blocked them, and they blocked you. So they don't know what is happening in your life exactly right now. So they are blindfolded, they are tied up, like they don't know what to do, because there are a lot of conflicts between you, lot of doubts, lot of misunderstandings, and they don't know how to reach you. Or if at all they reach you also, they don't know whether it will be a positive response. But at the same time they know that you will accept them, because they know you very well. And 8 is a very prominent number here. Maybe in the month of August they might contact you. So definitely, I mean, there are a lot of people also involved, I can see, even though it is not shown in this card, but I can see there are many people involved in this connection. And so they don't know like how you are feeling right now, what they can do. But slowly they are coming towards you. Maybe an offer will come towards you from them, or their family will propose the match to you. Okay. So maybe this time they want to come with proper strategy. They want to come with a lot of like courage and strength. Okay, so definitely they want to come, but they don't know how you will react, and what are you doing right now, what is happening in your life right now. So they are blindfolded, they don't know. Maybe you blocked them, or they blocked you. Even if you are not blocked also, but emotionally you are not communicating. Okay, you are not expressing your feelings to them, so they don't know what is happening exactly. So let's pull more cards and ask spirits, what are their current energies towards my viewers? What are their current energies towards my viewers? What are their current energies towards my viewers? Please give us some guidance and clarity. The moon, eight of spheres, and the hanged man. Okay, so they are feeling that there are many secrets involved. Maybe you didn't tell your true feelings to them, or something is happening in your life which they don't know. They feel that there are many secrets in this connection, or their mother is interfering in this connection. I can see, as I told you already, there are many people involved. Maybe mother, sister, brother, or friends. Okay, so somebody is interfering in this connection. But this moon card says that their mother is involving, or your mother is involving in this connection, and they are not accepting this. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you, but they want to work on this connection. Eight of spheres, and also they are working hard to gather more money and finance, so that they can take care of you in future. They are working hard, they are not sitting idle, they are working. At the same time they are thinking, they are trying to amend the relationship, but they are not coming towards you, or they are not telling you actually. But behind the scenes they are working, they are thinking about you, but they are not able to take any action, because the hanged man is there. They are stuck, they are not, they don't know what to do, because the hanged man came right below that eight of swords, right? So this person, and for I forgot to tell you, this person might be Pisces or Leo, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, um, not Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, I can see, Taurus, Virgo. Actually I can see all the signs here. Okay, so your person might be any one of these signs. And definitely they want to come towards you, but they don't know how to do that. Right now they are hanged, because they are struggling between their family, their mother, and you. so they don't know which decision to take, but they are very keeping up the strength, and they are very determined, I can say. So they are very determined, and they want to come, because once they decide that they want to take come towards you, nobody can stop them. That kind of strong willed person your person is, and they are keeping up their strength, and they are earning more money also. But maybe they are far away from you, long distance relationship, and they might be, you might be knowing them for so long. I can say that maybe your childhood lover, classmate, or college mate. Maybe you might have been with this person for many years. Okay, they know you very well. Even their family knows you very well. That is the reason they are saying no to this connection. Or maybe you both are already married and separated, or divorced, whatever happened. You maybe, some people are asking about their ex. So that is the reason they're stuck between their mother and you. So right now, at the present, at the moment, in this moment, they are stuck and they are in a hanged man position. Okay, let's pull some of their messages for you. What are their messages, spirits and angels? What are their messages towards my viewers? What are their messages for my viewers? Okay, we got all the cards. This distance is killing me. Okay, this can be emotional distance, or really if you are very far away, like another city, state, or country. So they are saying that this distance is killing me. I love you unconditionally. So definitely they love you so much. That is the reason they are very much determined to come towards you. I know I messed up everything. So he knows, I mean, he or she, they know that what mistake they have done in this connection, they know clearly. That is the reason they want to come. In a battle, they are having in a battle whether to come towards you or not. They are having in a battle because they don't know whether to fight with their family and come towards you, or how it is, they don't know. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid. As I told you already, this person want to reach out, but they don't know how you will react, how you will feel. You are mine forever. Very good, excellent. So they feel that you are theirs forever. So it is a strong relationship, I can see, for pile 3. Okay. So let's pull some initials of your person. It can be first name, middle name, last name. N, R, W, D, K, B, H, Y, then P, S, and J. Okay, so this might be there in their first name, middle name, or last name. So however it resonates, please take it and leave the rest. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The more you like, the more my videos will be shared to others. So then I can get more subscribers, and I can be motivated, and I can do more and more readings. And already I have done 1 year. Okay, so this April 2nd I have completed 1 year exactly, but still I couldn't reach 1000 subscribers. So definitely I need your help, because whoever is there right now in my channel, whoever the subscribers are, they are very much my well-wishers, and they think good about me. That much I can feel, because I feel your energies, friends. So I feel that you have a very good wishes for me, and I'm sure you will help me in all ways. Okay, thank you so much for watching this reading. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next reading, bye.